right, so this is a way to use Canva to make Avery 5160 labels, even though they don't have a template for it. So the first thing I do is just look for labels, and I don't care what pops up. I can just, basically grab anything, because what I'm going to do is change the size of it to 2.625 times 1 inch. I've already done that, so it's kind of there waiting for me, but you can always, create your own size by hitting custom size. Okay, so now I'm going to open it in this. Now, this is the size of the Avery 5160 form, because I already know that. So I'm just going to pick a random label, and I don't care because I'm not going to really do it. Okay, now it's at this point you pop over to a different website. And the website that you go to is hlabels.com. Then you're going to click on standard labels, and then you're going to go over to Avery, rectangular letter format, because my labels are in an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that I just put through the printer, something looks like this. Then the one I use is the 5160. Now I click on design and print in Canva. So what this is going to do is pop me back over to Canva, and then now it's going to ask me, do I want to do something brand new or use an existing design? I'm going to say go ahead and something I've already done. And then there's the label I already had. And so now it's doing a whole bunch of stuff for me. Now I'm going to generate that into a bunch of sheets. Now it's going to ask me, is this a mail merge? Am I putting different designs on one page, or is this just going to repeat? So I'm just going to do the repeat one and hit continue. And then I'm going to hit export. And then this is going to pop me back out of Canva again, because now I'm going to print it. So this is going to give me a chance to see how it looks. It's perfect. Everything's repeated. So then I hit print, and then it's going to pop me over to my printer, and then I just hit print. Hope this helped.